What if tonight, while your body rests, Jesus reminds your frightened heart that you never have to face darkness alone? When everything becomes quiet, hidden worries can become louder. But Jesus remains near, offering comfort when your mind feels overwhelmed. Maybe your heart carries fears you cannot explain, memories you cannot forget, and questions you have never spoken aloud. Jesus understands those silent struggles, even the ones you hide from everyone, because you are afraid nobody will understand. Tonight, you do not need perfect words. Simply whisper a prayer and place your worries into God's hands. Fear may still knock at your mind, but you can choose not to let fear control your heart tonight. Remember Jesus' promise of peace, especially when your thoughts feel restless and your heart cannot find a quiet place. You may not understand every thought tonight, but faith can remind you that your future is not controlled by fear. Let yesterday's pain become lighter, and let tomorrow's worries wait, while Jesus teaches your heart to rest today. Tonight is not about fixing everything. It is about trusting Jesus with the things you cannot control right now. As your breathing becomes slower, imagine Jesus reminding your heart that peace can begin with one simple moment of trust. Jesus never promised that life would have no problems, but he taught us to face them with courage and faith. When fear whispers that nothing will change, remember that every morning brings another chance to begin again with hope. If your heart feels heavy tonight, whisper, "Jesus, stay close to me and help me find peace within." You do not need perfect prayers. Jesus can meet you even when your only words are tired tears. Choose faith over panic, hope over despair, and remember that Jesus walks beside you through every difficult season. Tonight, let your body rest, let your thoughts become quiet, and let Jesus remind you that you are deeply loved. When morning arrives, your problems may still exist, but you can face them with a stronger heart and renewed faith. So before you sleep tonight, release your fears, breathe deeply, remember Jesus, and let hope become your final thought. Rest tonight with Jesus in your heart. Carry his peace into tomorrow, and subscribe for more inspiring Bible stories.